the event is Splash is fantastic every year. It's amazing. But to meet you, Lee, is one of the gorgeous things.
Hi guys, this is Elsie and welcome back to my channel. And tonight is a very special night because na-invite tayo sa isang very famous fashion show here in Dubai, and it's called Splash Fashion Show. Ayan. Every season, nagbabalit sila ng collections nila. So I think this time is for the autumn season. So we are lucky enough to get invited to this very famous fashion show. Ayan. So ngayon, nag-film lang ako dito sa aking phone kasi i-charge pa natin yung ating camera. But I'm very so excited sa pagpunta dito sa show na to. So, ang theme ng ating pupuntahan is, they said we should all wear white. So, this is my outfit. Samahan niyo ako and makimingle tayo sa fashion world dito sa Dubai. Tried to get an Uber earlier pero wala tayong nakuha, so nakakuha tayo ng taxi papunta sa MADINAT, JUMEIRAH to the fashion show. So hopefully we can reach there on time, and then we'll see. Hindi ko alam if magpapapasok pa sila after Kumu late or something, so i-check lang din natin kung ano yung magiging result. So sana makaabot tayo. Because the fashion show will start at 7, sabi dito sa text, pero they said there will be a pre-party also, so we'll see kung ano yung magiging nila preparation for the fashion show. And then I heard from some of my friends na parang saglit lang daw yung fashion show, so ayun, we'll walk you through there and samahan niyo ako sa journey natin dito sa pag-attend sa fashion show. So, yan guys, hinahanap natin yung Mina Salam kasi doon sa pinaka front gate, ang sabi nila dito daw ka manggagaling sa sa loob ng Souk Madinat. So, kaya pa tayo naghahanap ng Mina Salam kasi doon gaganapin yung show. So, hopefully makaabot tayo. Yan. See ya. Guys, finally we've arrived here in MADINAT, JUMEIRAH. Mina Salam pala siya. So, dito tayo sa loob. Let's take a look of what's inside. Thank you so much.
21 above leda. 21 above leda.
They will gonna send us the email. So ayan.
gentlemen, I hope you enjoy the fashion show. Thank
So ayan guys, tapos na yung fashion show and meron silang 3 sets kanina. And ngayon naman is parang hihintay na lang kami for sa taxi or Uber or yan, medyo mingle-mingle pa rin. So marami akong nakilala mga vloggers and hopefully makakollab ko sila sa susunod na mga vlogs ko. And yun, later ipapakilala ko siya si Benji and si Elton. Sila yung mga nakilala ko vlogger dito sa fashion show na to. So, ayan, very nice and na-enjoy ko naman siya. Obviously, na-enjoy rin naman yung model dito. So, see you again. So, hanapin muna natin sila Elton at Benji. Then, we're gonna say bye to them. And uwi na rin tayo afterwards. Elton, say a few words na lang. Invite your...
Hi guys, my name is Elton. I am a hand-painted bag artist dito in Dubai. Don't forget to go to my Instagram page, Hand-Painted Bags by Elton. Check my artworks and get a vlog.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Subscribe rin kayo sa kanya and follow sa kanya social media. Yeah.
Elton Lipanta.
Grabe, grabe. Maganda talaga yung mga hand-painted bags niya. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, ito na si Benji. Invite them to subscribe or follow you on social
Yes,
media.
please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Benji Geronimo, and you will see like I followed some events here in Dubai and some lifestyle vlogs as well, travel vlogs.
Yes.
So if you're interested in traveling, just please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Benji Geronimo, and I'll see you there.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So, ayan guys, pauwi na ako sa flat namin and it will take around 20 to 30 minutes, depends on the traffic. Na-enjoy ko talaga yung fashion show and I'm looking forward to attend more and also to be invited more and to meet more vloggers here, especially Pinoy vloggers here in Dubai. And hopefully talaga magtuloy-tuloy na yung pag-post ko ng videos kasi sobrang dami ko na hindi na upload. Thank you kay Benji at kay Elton na na-meet natin today. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga na-meet ko rin na actually hindi ko lang nakuha yung ano. And also kay Madam Laila, yan. Salamat. And she said that she'll be inviting me for like a meeting para sa isang collab for women empowerment here in the UAE. Ayan. So, abangan natin yan sa mga susunod na vlog. So, yan. Thank you guys for subscribing, for loving, and for liking all of the videos. And keep sharing it. And thank you so much talaga sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe and nag-support. I love you guys and see you next time.